Imagine a world where the mind is a bustling lab, where computational psychiatry is the backstage fruit, turning tangled thoughts into something we can study, test, and understand. Here, computational models try to parse how we infer intentions, moods, and social meanings from the people we observe, from the language we hear, to the subtle cues of a smile or a sigh. It's all about making sense of how we learn, remember, and navigate complex social hierarchies, social norms, and cultural mandates that shape our daily lives. At the heart of this approach are generative psychological processes, the ideas about how our thoughts and feelings might generate the behavior we see. Parameter estimation methods like hierarchical Bayesian estimation help us tune these ideas to real data so we can infer hidden mental states in a principled way. And when we need to uncover patterns across many people, machine learning clustering helps us spot clusters, trends, and outliers in cognition, mood, and social functioning. We're also asking what is happening under the hood in the brain, the hormones, the cells, and even at the genetic level. In this story, neural, hormonal, cellular, and molecular layers all contribute to cognitive functions such as learning and memory, and to how we regulate emotion and social behavior. Epigenetic mechanisms and the epigenome remind us that experiences can modulate gene regulation, long term memory formation, and even our neuroendocrine system, subtly shaping how we respond to social isolation or chronic social stressors. When we peek into the body, we see a chorus of immune and neural signals, antiviral genes, plasmacytoid dendritic cells, monocytes, myeloid lineage, antigen presenting cells, leukocytes, and dendritic cell derived transcripts. Bitranscriptional orchestra, glucocorticoid transcriptional control, the sympathetic nervous system, hematopoietic production, glucocorticoids, and beta adrenergic receptor pathways. Paint a picture of how stress can ripple from the brain to the blood, influencing everything from mood to behavior. When it comes to the mind's theater, repetitive negative thinking and rumination can pull us into a loop of future oriented mental problem solving, attempts that miss the present moment. We counter this with deliberate cognitive restructuring and behavioral experiments, testing new ways of thinking and acting. We also lean into cognitive flexibility, recognizing that contextual changes alter what works best in a given moment. So, in this grand tapestry, computational psychiatry meets real life, where data, dialogue, and care come together to support healthier minds, better relationships, and more resilient communities.